Good morning, folks. J1 races started earlier this week with podium finishes from Half-Blood, Tipster, and Baby Oil. Well done, and best of luck for the remainder of championship season. NEAR has taken over the front page of Solana. Attention is all you need, and the NEAR token is now live on Solana, courtesy of NEAR Intense. In spite of market conditions, it's fair to say that morale is up on NEAR. It has more visibility from high-profile crypto Twitter than most other tokens of its rank. It's punching above its weight with NEAR Intense as it rounds up to almost 8 billion in total volume on the year. And private AI chat and cloud have both been released, with the House of Stake growing. And of course, the Legion is now up to 3,700 members, with 11 events planned for January alone. NEAR is emerging from a very hard and volatile year, with much to be excited about in the future, starting with NEARCON. The NEARCON speakers list have been released, and folks, let me tell you, there are some big wigs at this one. Ilya Polasukin, as we all know, co-founder of NEAR Protocol, Lucas Kaiser, OpenAI researcher, Kushal Kurapati from Oracle, Alex Skidanov, the other co-founder of NEAR. Most of you probably know Eric Voorhees, now CEO of Venice AI, but previously very active in the Bitcoin community. And also down farther on the list, Matt White stands out as the GM of AI and the executive director of PyTorch, representing the Linux Foundation. NEARCON in San Francisco is from February 23rd to February 24th. There will be an event in the days before known as the Innovation Sandbox, geared more towards builders. Don't miss it. It's a big year ahead for the NEAR ecosystem. Last but not least, don't forget to mark your calendars for December 26th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The Legion Holiday live stream will be in full swing. Join us, bring a beverage, come on stage, share your hot takes on the state of NEAR, crypto, and the larger macro landscape. We look forward to hanging out with you.